Hello, I have a Maytag dryer. Type, Maytag dwsr-ele-2406026-cv54. The dryer recently stopped drying on timed dry cycles but continued to work sufficiently on sensory dry before it stopped drying altogether. I replaced the heating element today and kept the original thermostat. After running a cycle, I noticed that the element was not heating. Afterwards, I checked both the thermostat and the heating element for continuity, and those readings were positive. Again, after observing the heating element while running a cycle, I noticed that the heating element does not heat.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. The thermostat and the heating element can't stop on one cycle and let it continue on another setting. That issue can only be caused by a bad contact inside the timer. The entire timer is going to need to be replaced to fix your issue. The problem has progressed and eventually it cut out the heat on all cycles, which means it's been going on for a while now, but either way, below is a link to the timer you'll need to order and replace for your model. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
I will give it a shot. Thank you.
No problem and good luck.
Hey Tyler, sorry for the late reply. I ordered the part from the link you provided. That company sent me the wrong part and then told me the part was in back order. I had been given a deadline for the arrival of the part but was notified that it wouldn't be in until March 28th. I ended up ordering the new timer off of Amazon and just replaced it this evening. Unfortunately, that heating element still does not come on. To refresh, I have replaced the heating element, the thermostat, and per your guidance the timer. Still no heat. I appreciated your suggestions and look forward to your response. Thank you. My mistake, I have not replaced the thermostat, but that would be irrelevant if I were doing a timed dry correct. The heating element would still need to come on at some point. No.
So the timer replacement would have definitely fixed your original issue where one cycle was heating but not another cycle. Unfortunately, it sounds like you have a second issue. Nothing else would have caused that original issue, but at this point there are lots of things that can cause the dryer to not heat at all. First, pull the dryer forward and check 220 volts coming to the back of the dryer terminal block between the two outside power wires. The dryer will run with 110 volts but it won't heat without 220 volts. If that checks good, then below is a video on how to test all the different thermostats and such to see what is wrong. Click here for video.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.